Hi and welcome back to my final morning report charts appraisal on Friday the 17th of April with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets, and that is gold. And this gold chart continues to consolidate really. Sideways range, building certainly above that support at 1178. And as I said, it's interesting that we're now still holding on to this support around the 1191 mark, which was that old low from late Feb. Zooming in to the hourly, you can see that the consolidation has sort of tightened towards I suppose you got a couple of spike lows, 83.68 and 88.55 if that comes up. 65, okay. But below, around that sort of, but still around the that pivot level of 1191 up towards 1210.70, which 1210.70, which was that high that we saw on the 10th of April. So it's basically in sort of like a consolidation sideways range. I mean, the fact is that any sort of real, you're not really getting any real trending out of this last few candles. The bullish candle there got corrected. The bullish candle yesterday got corrected, and we're seeing another positive candle today. But as I said, I'm not really that hopeful that we're going to get any sort of significant breakout. Momentum indicators across the board neutral. 53 on the RSI is buzzing around between sort of 40 and 60. MACD lines basically bang on neutral. Stochastics now having been sort of corrective and now starting to turn up again. So basically across the board pretty much in neutral configuration on all those momentum indicators. So it's difficult to call, I think, gold. Maybe you could play this range on the hourly chart. You've got the RSI that when it comes back towards 30 you could buy it, when it comes towards 70 you could sell it. It's worked a few times within the range, actually the last 4 times, the 9th, the 10th, the 14th, and yesterday on the 16th. Sort of worked, sort of coming up towards the 70 mark again, so perhaps you'd be even looking out for the new or the next possible short position if you got a sell signal. So perhaps that is a way to play it at the moment, but certainly just for now I think it is still range bound and no real sign of any major breakout either way. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold, and I'll speak to you again on Monday. Thank you.